just... Yeah, it brings out the yobbo in me.
Hello, viewers, and as you would imagine, I've done this properly. I've come in this. This is a Caterham. It is a 310R, to be precise. It is a bit of a faff getting in, admittedly, but once you are in, the rewards are enormous, because this car was born in the 50s, designed by Colin Chapman, as a self-assembly weekend racing car. This is the sort of thing that enthusiasts online go on about. You even have to put the steering wheel on. Then you just close the door, clip it in place, and we'll be on our way.
It's nice, this, mate, isn't it?
Bloody
I
fabulous.
wonder why they fitted the kill switch on the outside. I'll put it there so you don't lose it. Right, gotta get on.
Don't be a cock, Hammond.